I want to look exactly like this.
Exactly like this?
Yes.
No, it's not possible.
Sir, it is possible. I have done it in Photoshop.
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है।
Plastic surgery is not Photoshop.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Today, we live in an age where such photo editing apps and filters have become the norm. But what when it comes to our own body? See, plastic surgery has become very popular nowadays. And for those who want to improve their appearance, plastic surgery can help them change their appearance in such a way that it will increase your confidence, your quality of life, your self-esteem. But these plastic surgery procedures are done by well qualified and certified plastic surgeons in a sterile surgical environment. And when these procedures are done, we keep in mind the limits of safety and be within these limits, and also we respect the limits to which our body tissues can be altered. So, plastic surgery is not Photoshop, but it is a real life-changing experience for anyone who wants to improve their appearance and gain confidence.